Question 1 is asking to work out the size of angle A. So angle A is down here. And we've been given this length and also this angle down here. So what I think I'm going to choose to do is I am going to label the angle we're trying to find as a capital A. That's what I'm trying to find. And that's actually quite handy because it's already the same as the one that they've given me. So if that's capital A, then the side opposite is going to be my little a. And then the other side that we've been given will be little b, where the angle opposite is capital B. So we've got little b, we know that's 11.3. We've got little a, I know that's 6.9. And we've got big B, that's 71 degrees. So I've got two sides and one angle, and I'm trying to find the other angle. So I'm going to use the sine rule. And we know the sine rule is when we're looking for angles, I'm going to use the option where the angles are on top of the fraction. Sine A over little a is equal to sine B over little b. So let's write that out again, but this time using the things we know. Instead of an A, I'm going to use a question mark for that angle that we're trying to find. So we've got sine of question mark, what we're trying to find, over little a, well, in this case, little a is 6.9, is equal to sine B is 71, or B is 71, sorry, over little b, and little b is 11.3. So I've got this here, this formula, and if I want to find the question mark, then I'm going to have to multiply by 6.9, and that will get rid of this 6.9 here. So I'm multiplying up by 6.9. So I get sine of the question mark that I'm looking for is equal to 6.9 multiplied by sine 71 over 11.3. And that's all well and good, but what I really want to know is the question mark. I don't want to know what sine of the question mark is. I want to know what that actual angle is. And so the final step I've got to do is undo the sine. I'm basically getting rid of the sine here. I'm undoing it, and we have to therefore do inverse sine. So question mark is equal to inverse sine because I'm undoing the sine, and I'm just going to pick that all up and put it into my inverse sine there. 6.9 multiplied by sine 71 over 11.3. And I'm going to type this whole thing into my calculator. Remember, if you press shift and then sine, that comes up with your inverse sine. That's what we're after. So inverse sine of 6.9 multiplied by sine 71 over 11.3. And so I get my answer to be 35.26451, and so on and so on. So what we want to do is, it says give your answer to a suitable degree of accuracy. So we want to decide what a suitable degree of accuracy is. I think 1 decimal place is probably fine here. So I'm going to go for 35.3 degrees as my answer there. 35.3 degrees.